Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by identifying what is holding the file. Open Task Manager or Resource Monitor and look for processes with open handles on the file. Once found, save any work in that application, because force closing can lose data. Try a graceful close first. If it refuses, end the task for that specific process. Make sure to note which program it was so you can restart it safely. This gets you to the point where the file is no longer actively used by an app. Next, you locate and release the specific handle attached to the file. Use Resource Monitor or a handle utility to find the handle ID. That shows the exact process and file path. Once identified, close the handle from the tool or stop the owning process. Also inspect services, sync clients, or backup tasks that may be holding the file in background. Stop or pause them. Once the handle is released, verify by attempting to rename or move the file. Finally, confirm success by renaming, moving, or opening the file. If those actions work, restart the original application or the service that was involved so it requires access cleanly. If the lock persists despite stopping processes and handles, perform a controlled reboot. This clears stale locks. As a last resort, boot into safe mode and repeat handle inspection and closure. One troubleshooting tip: if repeated locks occur, check antivirus, cloud sync, or scheduled backups, and exclude the file or folder to prevent recurring contention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.